What's up guys, Speed Cubing back, and today I am back for another unboxing video from Cubaniac. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, let me tell you something before the unboxing. I just want to tell you that this unboxing is going from Cubemaniacs, because I think you guys know that Cubemaniacs was lost their channel. That's why he was doing a business of cube modification and customization. If anybody wants to do customization and everything, then I will give their number and email address on their description. You can contact with them and they will do everything about any kind of cube modification. There you have to pay it through online, and he will send your product to through FedEx to your home address in anywhere in India. That's not the matter. So let's get started with the video. So this one is the box of happiness. Actually, he bought this cube from Cubelelo. Well, I want to say, in last video I said that I have a Cubesian Little Magic that was to Cubemaniacs to Shantanu, but by some mistake that cube was broken. That's why he gave me a new Cubesian Little Magic 2x2 from Cubelelo, and he magnetized with its own magnet and some special magnets, special lubes also through this. So here is also a 5 ml bunch of lube from Cubelelo. You can check it out also. I am also giving. You can contact with him. Oh my god, it's so tight one. See here, special package from Shantanu to Aniket Ball, because he sponsored me. If there any but sound is there, then please sorry for that, because I'm not using my microphone. Okay, not opening. Let me check it from here. Okay. Well, I gave him 3 cubes to do customization on that. I gave him the Cyclone Rising Star. Oh, here it is. Oh, he gave me this one. The side of the page is void. Okay, those depends. This one is a coupon code actually. Basically, this one is something documents from Shantanu, handmade by his signature. So keep it side. Here is the special Cubesian Little Magic 2x2. Okay. Here is the special lubricant. This one is the special lubricant. You think that it is Cubelelo nucleus, but not. That's not. This was the special lube through Sheldon, GAN and many things which you can use in any kind of cubes. And he gave this 10 and free, I thought, because he's also sponsored by Cubelelo, and he's also buying products to Cubelelo, and he's selling by custom from Cubelelo. That's why he's using this Cubelelo box. So let's keep it aside. Let's unbox the main thing. Okay. This one is, here is something notes here, because Shantanu Pike previously CNS and customized for Aniket Ball. You will get this kind of notification here. This one is the main cube and a strain, and this one is the lube. I will not open it because I haven't wear this glass, because this one is special. It may cause something harmful to my skin, so I'm not opening it. I'm opening this one. Okay. Oh my god. Here is a pamphlet. Why come here? Pamphlet. I don't want the pamphlet. And here is the cube. Open. Wow. Wow. I think you guys can't see it's glowing because it's totally lubed and it's totally changed. Oh my god. What is this? I can't stop my hand even. What faster is this? OMG, OMG, what is this? Oh my god. It's such amazing cube. Such an amazing cube. It's really damn good. Oh my god. Such amazing. Keep it side. And here's the box is also side. Oh my god. Such a huge cube it is. What a cube. What a cube. Thanks to Cube Maniac Shantanu for this amazing. A big shout out for Cube Maniacs from me. I will give their Instagram ID on the description. You can check it out from there. So thanks to Shantanu for this video because he sponsored me. So thanks to Shantanu. A big shout out from Shantanu. If you guys still haven't watched this video, then please do hit and subscribe. Our support is after you. So thanks for watching. We'll meet on the another video.